Hey everyone, we're here for day 3 of the YouTube Makeover Challenge. Now today's activity that I'm going to have you do is actually not going to take you a lot of time, which is awesome, right? What I want to introduce you to is this idea of a tool called Tubebuddy. And it really is going to be your buddy because it's going to allow you to be able to do research on other videos, along with be able to make sure that you are including all of the right information on your own video when you upload it. So downloading this tool is going to be critical to your success. Now I am going to share the screen here. This is all you have to do is go to Tubebuddy for YouTube. You'll just click this one. You'll see here it's already added for me. I use it in the Chrome extension. It does work with Firefox as well, but I like to use it I use the Chrome extension the most. So this is a useful tool. Now, I'm going to take a look here. Here is a example of an SAT tutor that has been creating videos. And this gives you, when you have Tubebuddy uploaded, it automatically gives you analytics about this person's video. So it tells me like this was uploaded just a few hours ago, actually. She's got already 3 Facebook likes, 1 mention over here on Twitter. It also gives me her channel information. So this particular person has 6.17 million channel views in time, over time. She has 91,000 subscribers and she has 129 videos. This is a person that I should be watching and seeing what she's doing on YouTube. And so as I take a look here, we've got different tags that she specifically used for this video. I can use that because I can actually copy those tags to a tag list. I can add a new tag list here. Let's say I put like SAT, keywords. I put OK. And now I have all of those keywords saved onto a tool that I can be able to choose from if I want to use those keywords in my next video. That's really helpful, because a lot of times I have no idea what kinds of keywords to use for my videos. So taking a look at other videos and then saving them onto these lists can be helpful for you to determine the right ones. And now you can see here that she has long-term keywords and she also has short ones. And those are really helpful for people being able to find her content, which is why she's getting so many views. Because if you don't put in any keywords on here or tags, people can't find your content. So think about this as a way of you telling Google or YouTube, hey, here's what my video is about. If people are looking for these words, then you can show my video because it's relevant to that. The more honest you are with those keywords, the more Google trusts you. The other thing that Google really likes, and this is what's really awesome about being part of the Ultimate Support Group for Online Tutors and the Insider Secrets Club, is that the more likes that you get, the more shares that you get, all of these kinds of things, they actually help your videos to rank higher than other people with similar content. And so being part of a community of other people that are helping you with share your content and liking your content can always help you with increasing your presence on YouTube. So I'm just going to click like on this person because I want her stuff to show up high in the rankings. I think she's doing a great job with her videos. Now, this isn't the particular video. This is actually the advertisement right here. But this is Super Tutor TV. But what I like about what Brooke does here is she's got her name, she tells what she does, and then she also has like a really good looking background. She's got great lighting. So those kinds of things are going to be important if you do want to have a increased presence. Now at our next conference, we are going to be talking about all of those kinds of features, like what are the elements of a perfect video for you to create? What kinds of content should you be creating? And we're also going to analyze all of the things that people are currently doing right now for their videos so that you can take a look at that and you can really start analyzing a good strategy for you when you are utilizing it. But for now, the only thing, you guys, that you need to do is upload Tubebuddy. Now I'm going to show you when you're uploading another benefit here. So on the side here, it's going to give me a checklist of what it is. So as soon as I click like add a video and the video gets uploaded in here, I get this checklist that's going to come on up. I am able to create my own thumbnail and add that on in there. I love doing that because a thumbnail allows your video to have a brand presence versus being stuck on whatever video they choose. So like here, I'm stuck in this position, right? Like, do I really want that to be what people see when they like click on my video? Probably not. And so I can add something that's going to give them information about what my video is about and maybe be a little bit of a teaser versus something that makes me look like a dork. All right. And so you can also, you can take a look. I don't know why it's not coming on up here. Usually it's already can't come on up at this point in time, but it will have like a checklist here. It does for the tag tools. I think it's because I'm right now live here videotaping this, which is why it's having a hard time. So you can see here, there's a best practices list that it tells me that I should do. So it tells me that my title should be between 20 and 70 characters. I can kind of check this against my stuff and be like, okay, obviously I haven't even added one yet, right? So I want to make sure that I have 20 to 70 characters on there. Get a like on Facebook. So I want to make sure that I give people the ability to like and share it on Facebook. I can add an end screen. Now, end screens are great because you get to tell people what to watch next versus YouTube always telling people what to watch next. Now, YouTube will make suggestions as well, but you get a little link at the end of your video, the last 15 seconds, where you are able to just like let them go on in and click that's what they get to do. You can also add info cards if you want to add tags to your title. So that's right here. This is where the tags go. Now the cool thing, remember I talked about from a list, I can go right on over here to a list I have used or I have copied from somebody else, and I can select the ones that I want to use for this particular video. That really saves me a lot of time in having to figure all of that out. Really helpful. And then I can also add it to a playlist. And so it's reminding me that I can go right on over here to a playlist. And if this particular video fits into a playlist, I want to make sure that I add it in there. So it's that really great, like, don't forget to do this kind of checklist. It also allows you, like I said, to create a thumbnail. And that's exactly what we're going to do tomorrow. We're going to create that thumbnail. So today's activity is super easy for you. Download Tubebuddy so that you'll be able to do some research and also be able to make sure that you're adding all of the right information for each of your videos. As soon as you have Tubebuddy listed and downloaded, all you have to do is go into the group today and just put done, downloaded Tubebuddy. And I want you guys to write down, like, what is your favorite aspect that Tubebuddy can do when you're creating videos? Thanks, you guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.